Gueco Angelo and Barlisan Adel Carlo. Lane 4 from University of the Philippines, Lapis Roy, Reluya Jerome, Altuver Gerald Alvin, and Juvero Alan Luis. Lane 5 from De La Salle University, Padua Brian. Announcing the results for event number 15. Villanueva Robert Steven with a time of 57.64 seconds. Second, Ramos Benjamin with a time of 57.69 seconds. Third, Yap Tudor with a time of 59.60 seconds. Fourth, Dancaiko Mateo Joaquin with a time of 1 minute 00.71 seconds. Fifth, Binluan Dako III with a time of 1 minute 2.42 seconds. Sixth, Yatko Charles Ivan with a time of 1 minute 2.63 seconds. Seventh, Almero Don with a time of 1 minute 3.49 seconds. Eighth, Ampil Lorenzo with a time of 1 minute 4.55 seconds. Announcing the results for event number 16. 100-meter freestyle for juniors for Teodoro Su Elisha with a time of 1 minute 8.25 seconds. Fifth, Jamias Jazarine with a time of 1 minute 14.58 seconds. Sixth, Ampil Sara with a time of 1 minute 15.73 seconds. Seventh, Roland Zanin with a time. Announcing the winners for event number 13. Chiu John Michael of Ateneo de Manila University, Uy Evan Bryan of Ateneo de Manila University, and Aguilar Johan Sen of De La Salle University. For event number 14, Sansago Shirley Nicole of Ateneo de Manila University, Sarmiento Rizal Luis of Ateneo de Manila University, and Adorna Maria Claire of University of the Philippines. For event number 15, thank you.
Rodel! Ilan tayo? Second? Second?